Go ahead.
Ready?
You're live.
Okay, we have a nice, well, it's a Phantom 2015 kit car. It has a 302 motor in it, a 73, so it makes it smog exempt, which is pretty cool. The thing's all licensed. The gentleman that put it in auction drove it up, I don't know how far away, but he drove it up on the freeway. He's had it in storage, and it's pretty cool, huh? Let's get in here and see how she goes. Now the automatic on the floor.
Nice.
Sounds pretty good. Runs good, all the gauges didn't work. That's it. No radio. That's okay. Pretty responsive, huh? Looks a little better than I thought. Is that big sweet or what? Nice. I don't know what else to tell you. Nice little emergency brake right here. I'm comfortable in it, which is pretty neat because I'm a big guy. Let's see. Nice one. He wants a cool little car. This is one. That's
Okay.
about it. I don't know what else to say. Just runs super good.
Park it.
Put the top down.